Hello kids, welcome back to my channel. Let's learn some colors name. Pad green color, yellow color, orange color, brown color, purple color, blue color, pink color, violet color and green color. Today we will learn the ABCD and 1 to 10 and we will paint the shapes. So let's get started. Parrot green color A. Violet color B. Yellow color C. Red color D. G. Blue color H. Pink color I. Green color J. White color K. Yellow color L. Color M. Purple color N. Bottle green color O. Blue color color U. Purple color V. Bottle green color W. Brown color X. Blue color Y. Pink color Z. Now let's move to 1 to 10. 1. O-N-E 1. 2. T-O-W 2. 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. F-O-U-R 4. Six. S-E-V-E-N 7. E-I-G-S-T 8. N-I-N-E 9. T-E-N 10. 1 to 10. Now let's paint the shapes. Circle, triangle, square, heart, parrot green color, circle. Circle, violet color, yellow color, square. my channel. Bye bye.